Hello guys! Today we will learn how to create a 3D text rolling animation in After Effects. So, let's dive in. Open After Effects and create a new composition. Name it Main. Create a circle shape and align it to the center. Add a new null layer. Create a text layer, make it larger, and add a camera. Align all layers to the center and make all layers 3D. Change the camera view to left. Change the Y rotation of the text layer and circle to 90 degrees. Position the text as needed. Duplicate the text layer and arrange them around the circle. Set all text layers Y rotation to 0 degrees. Change the camera view back to active camera. Link all layers to the null layer. Add a keyframe to the null layer's X rotation at the start. Add another keyframe according to your animation requirement. Apply easy ease to keyframes. Adjust the graph editor to make the animation smoother. Select all layers, pre-compose them, and rename the composition. Duplicate the pre-comp and rename it. Add a 3D channel effect to the duplicated layer. Adjust the values or copy the settings as per your preference. Search for exposure in the effects panel and apply it to the same layer. Adjust the exposure values as needed. Add a solid layer and set track matte to the depth layer. Set the opacity of the main layer to 20%. Apply the fast box blur effect and adjust the values. Add another solid layer and apply 4-color gradient. Adjust the gradient colors as per your choice. Add a new adjustment layer. Apply a rectangle mask to it. the fastbox blur effect and adjust the values. Set the mask to subtract. And here we go. Your 3D text rolling animation is ready. If you liked this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which tutorial you want next.